for the 2018 Solar Car Challenge kicks off today as our Houston Sundancer team competes for the title. 26 teams are racing in a week-long challenge from Fort Worth, Texas to Palmdale, California. The 15th time national champion Sundancer is ready to reclaim the title after not participating in last year's nationals. Team captain Summer Carner speaks on how excited they are to compete this year.
This is a new team. There's only two of us, me and our captain that's been on the team that's actually raced before. So we have a new team, new car, so we're excited, but we're ready.
To keep up with the Sundancer's progress, just go to www.solarcarchallenge.org for the race's live track.